welcome to Rusco 15 Code with me. And today we're going to be making a very simple app called What Angers a Zodiac Sign. Now, I am a lot into zodiac sign because I like things about zodiac signs. But I'm going to anyways show you how to make the app. Like always, first we take a screen and we set a background to the screen. It's not compulsory, but for UX you should do it. Then we add a label, and label obviously is always the title. Then we add we add six text areas, six text areas on the screen. Then you can write the name. So Aries, I removed all of this from Instagram. Instagram is a very nice place. Link in the description of my Instagram. And my Instagram name is written here. Now, so first we write a. So in the first text area we mark. We don't need to mark the text areas, we just have to mark the button. Okay, so text area, areas. Okay, and then what angers and areas. Taurus, what angers and Taurus. Gemini, what angers a Gemini. Virgo, what angers a Virgo. Capricorn, what angers a Capricorn. And Cancer, what angers a Cancer. Then we add a button at the bottom, which text will be button next. ID is important only for this. Do not label the text areas, you are just wasting your time. In the ID we just write button underscore next for the next button. Then we have to add another screen because there are obviously not only 6 zodiac signs. Screen 2 is what angers zodiac sign. Obviously it's the same thing. Duplicate the screen, just change the written matter inside. Like Pisces, what angers a Pisces, what angers a Scorpio, what angers a Leo, what angers a Libra, what angers a Sagittarius, what angers a Aquarius. And button back text will be button underscore back. So now we get to the code. Now code is really easy, only 2 codes. I have never made such a easy app. I mean, when I started coding also, my codes were harder than this, but using my own brain, my codes become easier. So button next, which is on screen 1, when button next click, set screen to screen 2. Screen 2 is the one here. And when button back clicked, set screen 1. Now, so yeah, it was that easy to make the app. But anyways, thanks for watching. Link in the description of my Instagram. I don't have I have a Facebook and Twitter account, but I barely use it, so I'm not gonna put it. So Instagram is there in the link in the description. My the web browser I use is also in the description. And the app I made is in the description. My other channel, which has apparently more subscribers than this channel, go subscribe to that channel also. Link in the description, and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.